to GDP. Networking of hospitals in Ghana. Or see MPP are buying and networking all hospitals in the Oko hospital we ne say yeshewa nya fe na o next time oko another hospital ye ko you folder kakraka ye see ehwe file ye hu folder anti cobra eno an say ebo din ana ye ye de history akoma doctor no Dr. Baomi aso ma ni ya o say enye akukọ ene krokoko a project and ayeka we are talking about project. That's where the shit come from. 200 projects completed under Zongo Development Fund. I say government has invested in TVET education. MPP government has employed more Ghanaians in jobs than any government in the Fourth Republic. Now, Dr. Mahmoud Baomi and Sema Okaye. The former president, also say Ghana for to Abamana in his first 100 days in office as president. He's going to organize stakeholders meeting on the bad economic trend that Ghana ye facing. For years, we make a CEO as him. Omi ni nyina ba ya fe. Me mu CEO ade bia wo mo. I will abolish e-levy in my 100 days in office. Former president also about e-levy mu. I'm a businesses under my presidency in 2025. Business will not be harassed by Yoko. I see Yoko for tata businesses. Your mama so ba sa Yoko attacks na businesses no emma so na also foreign companies no sra omo amonko omo se baby dwane ahokyere na ba e no sra omo amontwe omo no so chope. Your mama ebo monchame. No. Ghana is now debt distress because Ghana's public debt is 658, over 100% to GDP. Or say Ghana, your busia ya boy is just scanning 658 billion. A car dear. And on a Bank of Ghana governor kase a cano tisa a dollar no a pay januntino. Oceano in city tema and the other case ya bokai with and so na dollar no why na ye ho adwuma adis ye dollar na be pager e be come from ayewa Bank of Ghana mo na mo hwese mbeto to dollar no ama ye see the aginanya hoden abaying policies no ma carbon economic management team any Bank of Ghana no ma carbon no ma tima kura dollar ochire no na say ye succeed ochire na enya na mo dollar begum enti wow saba be catch say dollar no na ama ye yakosra me na me say adwuma no bosome so e ma 120,000 Ghana cedis no 1.2 billion no woman bidi Addison, don't come and talk to us this morning. Come and tell us dollar no send ye see a page anuntina ama ye kaya dear in city terms akoso na nyo na ama dollar page ai ayo what is here edu maybe am penifone kasa kire ya ase ye ka ho bi and ye contribute to my dollar no koso. It is your duty to see to it that the dollar is stabilized. And it's no numre me so say they will do everything to stabilize the dollar. I'm saying na dey say okasa na near na wo can say I said there now what the asem atoma pani say pani no hwe no anya no no so ni yesu asante dey make out say and they say we a news editor problem about news now we be catch me problem naturally me jare you are the news editor so you solve it yama bibia se fire bosome so ye akatua pa e dia ma de se apart from 120,000 no 1.2 billion or general alawa ni niam egu ho eno entete ho no kra che odwa ho nwi
120,000 timitua teacher fo bi ka be 120
1.2 billion adese the privileges of traveling needs and imagine we are not dollar page I will say now you see the cost I will say the reason for Sikano cost is because of the depreciation of the dollar. Who is to see to it that the dollar the city appreciates.
Who appreciate or depreciate?
Who the appreciation and the depreciation? Don't annoy us this morning. I do maybe a bufusem.
Oh my, I didn't see my young country is under Kufo and I say rolling some error. Who be free swap? The other day, I could do any the calculative at the month.
Naka!
Say, Casa Mahama Muja 120 billion.
122 billion. That dollar 4.3.
4.3 so 4.
And I'm the calculating now in your cities.
Any Indian city equivalence.
$18 no.
And in that dollar,
baby, I could draw no.
Point something 16.
And they are calculating amount.
Cities no.
Near that
basic arithmetic in the
woman, I do a monkey cano. I do maybe a do obedience so I never perceive Sano. And now we say people for I know more calculating Ghana car a day in Dallas.
So that is all.
Your mama, let's what you say, can say, what about 30 billion gra? Yes, 122 billion. Now you can say 58 billion. There was there be you calculating in dollar terms now. Dollar na city na depreciating TMO. You Ghana can the cash say 58 billion. A kai dear no. And one day meka. Mama sotia e beba. You see a dollar ne ba 10.
What kind of bet?
A can be ba 500. You see a baby no. And
I ain't been for our council on 2016 $.
They prevailing the rates in the digital.
But my levy at 71 side.
Unemployment rate has increased from 8% to 14% in 2023. Your mama say a BC da. I say on any personal CD 4. Or the train at your mama say 4. Or I pay your mama for trade the shovel 4.33. That's no calculator. A beautiful or send 4 and I do 50. Also, why charitable? Say in 15.4. Jonas where you for them. You for them is yay. Obiaso about abolish levy. But me also be year free. Now by age. Your mama so about obetwa me first 100 days. The most first 100 days I boshe. Munyai. Obia no awase awatuma di so munyai.
Obi so about Accra will be the cleanest city in
first 100 days electricity toilet ni ball of the beer. Well first 100 days I will do this. Your mama just say 100 days some man honeymoon.
Him say 100 days in a month. Ghana for top man no we 4 years.
Yeah man 100 days. To munyai such person no.
It is too early. But my made the 11 day. I say me can say man penye be dey chire my bomiani open address on mine. Me can say 11 day. Abempie ntimi nyimfiri water omoboa because he say no the cash cow revenue I saw that
me so munya obi anyimfiri
o man me say amon for do music efra bro chire ba o man we mu said the omusi tua remittance taxes on that and you can win obedi $15,000 but what be tua more than 5,000 Ghana cedis
and you so munyimfiri
and you know ka say obeye fru obedi onyiska e bia beka chem say 1.5 no and I say 1
they say 1%
e bia
you only go 50 0 over 0.5
and there me no be ya but say obeye fru yi fru wow
they say vice president na mugura wo kan kra no wontumi nyimfiri ho sika and na Ghana ni sika access to this money no a cash cow asante as you say and no onibakro no onko tua wote no from source eti aban wonya ska de yempuntunyuma wo be ayamemu a nkrofo kase yempa usu be ye afiri ho ba omia ne domama momo yasum nwen 11 no ya giatum yetua munyai sa na mko yi roto free ho na yakwan nyina ye basa ai ko yi roto free ho wai roto wouldn't sika na enya wo mo sen ayi omo amoye disable ni wie sika no sika omo wi ne de ni enya no calculate a ehun sunsaso ne sei and na yetimi nya maintenance o yakwan so
contractor na ono na yi roto no e ma ban na afre na onye wo mo na jijibiem na roto no mo se nya ba
you are getting over 18 billion
78 million Ghana every year e agro
mama sa sika no ko
wonya sa sika wo ya
mama sika no ko because udi 11 benti wo yi free ho e na 11 so nwene ne se. We have lost almost the past 3 years. Multiply 80 million by 3.
Almost better than 80 million.
You take haphazard decisions, political decisions are emwa. Ghana for you, hey, and then you must know what you know. Dear, on to me, yeah, political money, any ho, sika any one, yes, spending, me buy me away. Your mama, over there, road to a free ho, but me over there, a levy a free ho. Who you every one of them? But by the better from said them. Yeah, Munya, boss, I musha muntumian. Who go eat every year?
Omanhene, I didn't because them people in DC. We never because
I said, and then people in this a double press conference. And this is 4 and 2. And MPP and 4. Now, press and in say, Attorney General Richard Jakpa, so I can yanka. Godfrey Odame, and then on some no, and Yasam Kutwa. One must say unprofessional and criminal conduct of the Attorney General in the Atoforsin's ambulance trial. Just as educated, and then somebody will be Kabi. Well, yeah, 4 o'clock, we name the Obekasama MPP.
Oh, MPP, Davis.
Lawyer Frank Davis. And one also can. Or also said the desperate NDC attempt to shield Atoforsin from accountability. And there, Yashas here. Yebeti. News for Becca, Transya, Yebobo.
Mamma, Madame, so I never can pass a make on judicial. On the last week, I sent me by a far. Kisia Jaben.
And yeah, Martin, baby, can do. And
then Martin Rebecca said, I said last week, now some medium fee near Sudden continue. I said, everyone was said, I said, don't get us in one during pass or beat to say. Martin do. I was say a good father, Mother Serpent for corruption. That your cock with Siki. A redress a free Kufuado no ye corrupt no and once what it be a man mia. What kind of once I did Tiffin like I said, Mahaman Eja or Mamma and somebody. I said
Mahaman, I'm kind so midnight.
I never quite my Timmy was true, yes, and so what can some
now, Baba son.
But I said,
is he the connoisseur of knowledge?
No, can I say a Kisha Jabin? Me, media mekanda say the Messi Cono. Say a young man penukra so petition you more refer man penufo so when I say menukra.
So mama ni days on responded.
I could say Jabin. Say so judgment to no queen baby. Because
no or two anquanoma.
Until I am say
so benum su atwe a pena abo. And you are to baby
for make can say kisi adjuman on fan to na sebi sa nyama we cause us and you be because wa bem sir. Wawa bemu on the appointo and I have first for predecessor or that to ho na fedie what
Asante Asante OSP what do OSP
never the be
I don't know there
sir
Asante and then see can the budget the man you no call request see a man you know bulletproof car no
na ne bi o Ghana
what dey tran ho
o man panyi kura so onyu su bi
o so pe bulletproof car. Yeah, man, is car. To me, toss man ye. Bulletproof car no requesting for them. I'm for any ban, so give me one or the bulletproof cap. Yeah, what you tell? I don't know, dear.
You man, now a deserve bulletproof.
Asa, Sikai Chama OSP on. Sikai OSP at Tahoe. Sir, I want access to know.
And they said you man went to me there.
What you tell?
When I can't be.
They say OSP. What is what Becca say? The open and farmer. I mean, I can't mean.
Because I don't say be a judiciary support.
What is what can you go on that? Yes, can't to us out. To order what's I'm up for say resign work chef fat salary today. I don't know dear
Addison resign.
Addison. What is Cocoa Boss you was on resign. Cocoa Boss you was just 600.
600
NIB 650 million. NIB ADB Ghana Commercial Bank. No, I catch MDC or resign. No, he was carried about. Board of directors, you already a Hesu Musu. Jerry Hesu Musu. Yeah, for. Me, I mean, MP for Chicago. You got it. I don't have Boakye. Also, next 2 weeks, go about town. Or Befia. Try just all bar on my Jerry, whom mono, just a Mammy will come out, future life, yeah, the apple neighbor. But don't for now to say Olivia.
Papa.
The Biabo my Intiano pay.
You future life. My poem didn't know there be a better hand upon. The future life there, also be a DB, if you say a balanced diet. The Pedriani here, a DB, a balanced diet. balance diet ne say we di na siesie nipadua no if you tisuko si na ase empene ma yare ntina wo nipadua no sa na future life tie enti is good for everyone say nipadua ne nyina edua nyina na problem ne no bebre tetechema mefa enkomo ye ba no penso aka bibi kakra fi se sa de na ba e short che nipa se wo nyina edua nyina na problem na ya poso no bibi hihye so free ya beti ya ha yekotodwe ene ye hip no ade bi show say friend grego cartridges no e hye obia obi na wo nyina ana wo nidi ya na esa enti esi super na ka se na ye say na bibia ntimi nkomu biom nti na aso na nkokom ntirim na afa ato ase ho sa na aso sisi nti na vein na ye den eti se wo kotokora na etwo no achi kase ni biebie ena se wa hwe ho pomasi bra ya no bo aya ne akyekere ya na mente ase fi se bibia ne ani mu nti wo nante na kase ni yese eti na kase ni echichi aha nti no be se babe onsa ha de rough afi na be flat na aha na to benya bon cancer sisi asa na nti bo so bia na no honam ye ne ya ohu de onye bia esa we build this hard into the future life you know say bibia e fru nipadua no bia no na e hyema eti sa future life no boa ma sad ne ye ti na da bia be so bi di bi say balance diet eti de e fru nipadua no na esan aba na nyakopo adom ye ti bi o ha o say vein na ye den bibia no ha wo ye beko eti yo ti bi o ha twi vein nim eti friend tofe a short for birth 3 months in aba say twi vein na vein ye mrepe wo ba wo say wo ye bibia na esa na esa eti wo wie na vein mo twi na ma repair food no and repair o joints ni nyina na asa build this cartridges no esa bibie no ha be to obi o ha da this ya chia na abon the belt na ka say ni jutwi ka say no so still so future life no say obi de area ba ha ye ka che nkrofo na no ma ye bibi de aba ebebo ni pedua no
okay
say ni pedua here maintenance sana future life
mama ni nkomo imra hello good morning
good morning
now what to say
nyanko pa de mo
anopay what's your adansie bi ewo future life homa yentie wa anopay
me pacho e from a future
obecha
because free ehia
okay
na menya kidney infections me no mo bebre but na nko na me see future life already so no me imagine say ene me kono makọ to mu nuane ni bi no kwasem ni me di ye nso ama me ho ato me ama me call lab no infections nyina every me kidney ama say me kidney na e kama eti me cash action obia say wo problem bia okwa omo kire de obedie de wunnie omo de nuane ne ka ho a na say de obe oyidi de omo aka ne so nkwa dia problem bia de kwa bia betumi akọ
na je se ano de na wo famu ni ade nyina no wonti bio
dabi ni ho makoy lab no kwa dia dance se bibia ni ho bio
wow
eti me kwa me ka che de ultra lab no says problem say o say anye bi se de bibia ni ho bio
ani o de ani je de kofie
me ba jo say
ani o de ani je pa ne kofie
that they manage because problem we buy no na me sure but me do one now shame me cry ma me enioma di eniane ne chi ni de me bia no me ye no me di gide teche na ni nyina ko nti me de me hu na me di ho adanse say e no kro pa nya say e na adasem e no kro nti wo problem bia ya we bia wo de kọ ho a wo di nuane na e be kọ ama so wato
oba pecha e do twedi ampanse se wode ne nsa ka wonam future life so mamenti Olivia
who say my you know ye did no na e problem no
eno de no
na obi fi American papa na say de na we prostate problem na say de mes yankopon say twa no surprise na me nka say me I feel was fucking America why 10 days people and o ma say be another 10 days me catch say ni 1 month na ni na akọ eti no a omo bi ba ho na so far 10,000 so only there with confidence me dey ma 10,000 ko measure there use one sana why o say enioma na ye di no mo why eti say na o say da bia me ka infection asem ye secret na me ka share no say wo treat prostate na say wo infection a enya de be ko fi say bacteria no wo mu dada eti me ma na sabe omo ho ayamre ni nyina infections say mo ani wo pe bibia be kama enu nti na da bia school for nkola no mani wo mo so no se infections ne ba pe bacteria no kope ebekọ etibi ase ma obenya cervical cancer be ma sutimia prostate enlargement and cancer cancer den ho bejim ebe mo ayem reti bacteria no na ekọ cells no amonya problem etibi block man be too so mtimi nyem obi wo ha mtimi menstruate bacteria kro ebekọ kidneys ne ho ekọ ho pe na ho odi nyina abekọ form na afi ese no bibia cha ho na cancer den ho agim ebe se wo liver ese wo brain ese timi se wo heart bacteria ba ku pe we se die si hanipa no enti ye secret na make actually no green tea bi wo ho a ehahama o ebe kumwa ni na se kumwa na afi treatment bia na nam so enti American ni fucking America na emesre so onyankopon e de hahama my Africa ha ba ye hu se de esiko me say so infections a bra so ye ho ebe bo se be ma ohu ayemra bra so infection na cause sa problem no ya chirechu nuane obeja idi fi se nuane bi wo ha mwa unipadua no tu jai se nuane ni pe bibie ye obi ese ko obi wo liver and kidney problem o tie me haya no tie me wa ba ye ho be 3 weeks ago enti wo ba ye na me hwe no wako ade kye because wa san aba obetu di pa bebre ho no san o mo no mo ene na ku no so because cancer ma chere madam no me hwe so yi ade be free the bag him o se say o ba ha no na doctor so me check up okoye to okoje report no okoye doctor say liver and kidney I come to the new man eba hey and I'm saying the fagu until lady not me chere the buafu o say hey wo de ho ato o say there be doctor se ko oh enuane keke o so say ne ho to no oja idi obesa konuane dada no o me sasa ko man problem no de ko she bayifo eti enuane na yedi no na me problem eti ho do ba yetua onuane ankasa ni ama 12 apostles no ni a chiro de enwumre kra ni se odidi o da ise kidneys ne da awia wo didi na digest fan o ko da no wadi future life no ada me se nsuo bebre ye chen nsu papa bebre ye chen aduane fi se nipa obi afuti sa nensa ese wodi 80% kwedi se wodi 100% ni na bo obi betima di be say for obeyare bibia be help
okay
you so full alignment ho it dey help bia braso ye ho ne mwa o ye de etua onuane ankasa na so hotowa enfrem nkan kire me say o ho ato nti be se uja o sa ko di aduane no de etua wo na de etua wo no na so to ase no manage po bi ba ho o say doctor o sugar doctor yi na free sugar dro no so no mani age pa eti say ye ma waduane a nkasa wo nom doctor do pressure ne diabetes dro no enyai kopem say o pressure de be kofo na o sugar ne be kofo na doctor na nkasa ayi wa free so fi sa dro na ye adwuma oni paduane mu ti wo ba na say ye sesa waduane die na eno na be boa mani nyina ne amma waduane papa obedi ti momra so full alignment your number is 0242 87 80 90 90 ya twap ebi obo ase ebi o afija ase sunyane konongo enkran bi o ba bi enti so fra mechiro na so ma hoda bra so ye ho ena ti na twinti no kotodwenu yankopon adom ebi amra
okay abono go chia pa o meeting no mo fie ha no mo ye to adwumade no so no pai na ye bono regional communication team at the press sabiba tuja omo kasa wie ye no na nke pese nya awoba na hene bono regional minister or say she will not respond to the press conference because she is not even aware of the press conference. And Tinyadia Obiano. So what mean I'm a catcher no more on your way. We produce a friend. Or say on your aware of the presser. Ade communication team na free was you know. Bono region no. I press conference. Yeah, Tihayati. As RegSec head. Unti say, Omaye, no, just a tactics to avoid a response. Until you hear, Aubana in his own casa, Martinasi, a tactics to avoid. But so bit to my casa won't even say, yes, dear. And then not just say, Nejuma Oy and I say, and say, Yamfa and Siho. JB, I ready in combo. Now, Mamma Fawi and Chem. Azuka. Oh, goodness. Confanochi see you. Your friend, no, Professor Ade Mensa. What the lawyer Adolfo Akojina court. Na then what did you go court? Assembly nyina ne say. Okay. Assembly nyina ne say. CEO is ha enye ne enye baku enye mienu. Lawyer ania your friend Adolfo. Anopa wi anwumre. What the Confanochi CEO agent social media. Ena waye no na de akoto dwane so de ne court. Eno nti me kwa aba na ma be ready summons no akyeremo. Ba Sam Radio, Mamene lawyer and Sansari, former director Ghana Law School. To train Komo, Yatis was a girlfriend or dummy, or resigning as Attorney General for meeting Richard Jakpa, an accuser in Ato Forces case. A Koswo, Ewoni Fie, no channel de Wanya, Jakpaso, Abekase, Obani Fie Bekase won nitro. Yera and Sansari be more channel pay.
Small name Joso.
Now, bomb to say,
Oh, I put me up.
Yo, what am I? A bus director, Ghana Law School, former dear. Now is a Mrano dear, a good mojem. And I no pay. Yanyan Tisa will say, Godfred or Dummy, Ghana's Attorney General and Minister of Justice. Cowbus, let's say, open a Juman to her. So be our yeah, you can say witness. I will case him. Now no to me Justice of the Supreme Court akosia. Now what children in your bar mekani adeno etiamra. Whatever Ghana mra ne say, is it moral suasion and answer by law wafum yentie wadaruma.
Yo me chia e for nyina. Me tene say menim for Attorney General Dami ekoye no etia mra ni di kan no ye mra mu no ni sa plea bargaining no say ya hihye wo ye mra mu plea bargaining no America for en hihye ya na eho no the boo be so boy or no ne lawyer no any American mine no to me share and never don't be share them for biang now my and chef for and they say they are sabe so boy the ball suspect na accused person say bia wakumo bi na or share as na obedi for to me Asia prosecutor no now no yan hihye for obeka say oku nipa no de na dwe so beku mo bi no on yintum na mom esan so be pen fa hu de ntunom say won betumi asesa charge no efi murder e dey about manslaughter na je say no wọ́n jí túmọ̀ na wọ́n drop murder charge no na wọ́n substitute manslaughter na Ghana ha there ni di kan plea bargaining by 1975
okay
September 1975 na lawyer be your friend no Dr. Ignatius Omanhene Yaw and we dey so go no say obi wọ́n tie nkofo bi tiantiam say view ena one ne yire da ho no sorry ena ko cancer nkofo no ena onu lawyer no hwema wo mu di ewu kese bi enti wo mu course na o kan say enye onu na mum obepe say wo mu drop murder charge no na mu substitute manslaughter in 1975 na sasem no na judge na OJ asem no ne friend justice or still emisa enti onu one more application or court no church say ankasa plea bargaining there enka ye mra ho na mom esan say one dey aba say onhwe no ono judge no there oni bibi ka say Ghana or mine no prosecutor no edituma ono so be atum
okay
na no gitum and one substitute to murder no with manslaughter. Now, the year say na attorney general no your friend no year and more, and Chief Justice Samuel Zukra. Now, when Chief Justice can say near Osinemi Saye no, it's Yamra and Sisanka. Oh yeah, and Ghana Bar Association. And so can't say Chief Justice can no. Na nyane kwanso the lawyer utimi who defending a client bibia ebetumi age etwetwa age na client no utimi ye and 1975 na chine bi ma biom any yi ni asesia abetu yen enti a mistake of freedom and resign say na nyane kwanso say ube plea bargain no kura esa wo ye wo court open court na judge no ena normal ekoka nyina ene kwan obefa so dia ye no open court no mo ye enye judge foforo ena obefre o se bra me fie na bedi mu na me no ntwetwe nkomo ti se ne omo ye no ena Supreme Court judge no so no enye no odi asem no nti ombe mu kura nti o hwe eye ekun ebon nti se oye atani gere na watiamra na onu attorney general no ono na Ghana lawyers nyina odaye nim na we call this juma boni here say ochisan yewura president oni akukudura obetumi eyi na edi ntina me say on resign ono ankasankasanka no on resign say eyi enso so twem obi tunofo ono ankasa on resign senga yewura president Ekufuado betwe na so dia anka me nkasa kwa na onye ntina me say on resign madam I say me call court.
Yera Wadarmanka, one question. Hello.
Yes.
Bibacho, plea bargaining no Ghana Act 2021.
Sompa
They did say Yera Damina Mukrano. Venture capital case no. Oye bi or court. Emma Nipambi Nua. Nanka yebedi ombetumu no. Court no omo share on a plea bargain ma omu tiesika. Oma anko dem. Eya kato duku ne kato mu issue no. Enti no dia wo kano ema esiso se na wose nkoye wo court. Ena wanye. Na ade nti na so omanpanini akokoduro so obepam no.
Enye ministers omanfum emra na yi no akokoduro ben no nya no de sake wo. Onya akokoduro Ade na ngaza no aban na ngaza no nya etene se yi omo aban ya e wete se ye kika no ma e se keta ase ni yakata so so that
Matias
na me American se me say yi bagide no eye America fu na eye ebrochiri man mu English ebrochiri man mu no womo play bagide no eso tena womo ekrekre ase anam ti ase ye mra no enya America English ebrochiri man mu womo enomo emra eni ye nde ba ku enu ntina 1975 Omanhene Yaw asem no judge no can say plea bargaining no enka yen hihye no ho
Sompa FM
na mom obi betumi aba no aka say me di sa eboni misre na sebe ya judge no onhwe na asotwe bi e wo ho no onte so ma no yen plea bargaining sanity o. And this America for the prosecutor no any accused person between yan for share debt bi no maye yen mra no ma ho kwan sa kura yen mra no so be bibi sa kanu court no bian TB na judge no prosecutor no accused person and our defense counsel no woman nyina wo hobi enti emra kwan so ese say womu eyesa nhihye no won be ni nyina wo fiko wo open court yenye no desu ena yenye no judge fufuro fie ana the kitchen.
Okay.
So that and the Supreme Court judge me the minimum no me din ba any be hu
we are told
me din nyama ye no ntino
lawyer says
mo ma to baby a gina na ne nka say baby a mo ko hia ye no tia mra.
Okay.
Supreme Court judge you wan you enye sa ne ye nyane kwanso ne no
mate lawyer says yes Yone Kolendi fie no mu hia ye.
Yone
Kolendi, Justice Yone Kolendi, efie. Justice Yone Kolendi fie no mushiae.
Ne Yone Kolendi fie no mushiae.
That's right.
Aha. Na judge na OTA case no Yone Kolendi ana.
Actual Debbie.
It is a Yone Kolendi na no ye dia. Na se no so chiamra.
Okay.
Na je so no so afum. E se tuna so. And then I say, no, say, Unicolandia, as some man paying Chief Justice, no impeaching, no, you say, on Fata, say, obey judge, or structured justice. Now, when I may say, no man say, she share our constitution, may say, President, you know, only a kukudura or the uphold constitution, you know, and then I say, share a pro year near in air coso. A woman, when I into Kata, oh, one any dear through so beka and the kutukutu bonnie president ye baby name ya near kutukutu who person ko catcher no grass ade awuye who kwa say nan can pese me no beka say and cancel nan ko for say no da fafa baby asem no da wa na chill they say who pese uye ya ye de twene no brewa no ayen no preko. And yes, I would a piano befafa, I say, name, no, nay, say, so, I'm media for I thought I'd be so more. I don't know that Piffy, Mobecano, Coreno, Namudi, Namu, and I say, and I say, among who my church was any idea, not and Mummy Samu say, any one so, Sombeco, Unicolendi Fiana, or no edge, Nana, and no edge, and I, the Domco and if you soon your court. Any constitution is a court na constitution created there. Wafum rano. It way there, ye hone kase, justice way, wafum, emrana period.
All the best in court. Now, my friend to just say, Kolendi Asemno Nana B, MPP, national organizer on his Facebook, and on the two just say the meeting between Godfred Dame and Richard Jakpa happened in the house of Yone Kolendi. Yone Kolendi cousin any Richard Jakpa. Yone Kolendi nebusiani any Jakpa. Enintino Okosiano. Okay. Rate of Salmon see a good TV show Amushe. A professor Ade Mensa. 28 Ridge Road, Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology versus Kwame Adolfo. Holy Trinity Chambers Edum. Plenty for direct service. An action has been commenced against you by the issue of this rate by the above named plaintiff. Professor Ade Mensa, you are hereby commanded that within 8 days after the service of this rate, on you, inclusive of the day of service, you do cause an appearance to be entered for you. I feel not make kind lawyer for brofo. An appearance you. Kwame Adolfo. And take notice that in default of your so doing, this judgment may be given in your absence without further notice to you, Kwame Adolfo. Chief Justice of Ghana, 27th day of May. Enra. Move on to the next one. Hello? Okay. Entebia yane active point for betutri. You betutri asian no pay achirebo. Everything comes this year. Oh. Kevin. Oh, goodness me. Goodness me. Okay. Mame kwa homano so na mene Nana Boakye twetwe nkomo. Lawyer Nana Boakye, national organizer. senior commander of New Patriotic Party. Nana me watching.
Boss Mejuzo.
Now bomb to say.
Yamia Darama ordinance ache.
Okay. Minim said nebo no naya mobile presser. Money Ghana for to check come out. But was a lawyer Frank Davis and oh yes, Edgeman. Now a quick one. It is said on your Facebook post you wrote say the meeting between Jakpa and the Attorney General happened at Yoni Kolindi's house. Is there a link? Is there a connection? Is there a relation between Omumu Biana?
I mean, I say, Bapeni, and okay. The change answers us me a cost watch.
That's right.
Now, Attorney General Crowdy were closing the case away. As 17 Nititia, NDC are buying Emma cabinet approval, so I'm going to 200 ambulances. Now, 200 ambulances, no more the Bosia, and also not parliament approve from Stambik. 14.8 million euros and a kwakoto. Now, the VH in a buying company be Dubai, a friend Big C, and now enter into contract on the baba. In fact, we a foreign or international transaction, our parliament,
okay.
The Tosum you know a bra contract in a cosono. In the contract, terms and conditions nature said. Big C for no a bit kind day. On day 200 nebaba in 4 tranches. 50, 50, 50, 50. Now it's 200.
Okay.
At the first 50 and I was also Mudi Bedru. Now you are inspected. Or your National Ambulance Service or your Ministry of Health or then we pay them. In fact, at 2000, a letter to Bank of Ghana said you should urgently establish letters of credit. Ni mfentua eye Big C for no moabu amanoneka ena omunya sa sika no almost and also be 4 million euros in the Big C for not even a single ambulance ena na aba Ghana. So at the time I tua Big C for the first tranche no na for ambulance bako kra which is contrary to the terms and conditions of the contract. Na tosu mi no ebra ambulance in Sabidru and so ambulance is wa akwai tuntrua eniema ani akadia di ambulance ni bibia nim sa itiema sa bre no Minister of Health ana wo no se be fia kwa tro letter ka se da bi ambulance na National Ambulance Service go inspect no machine no enye fit for purpose.
Okay.
Eti hono anka aban kwa na say sabre no kwa no ngomu take steps NDC aban so nanka omon fit from that time cars ni be gu okomha between a year October 2014 in 2017 omu free aban no they did not do anything about this ambulance and fit for purpose and a new government by in fact my men sanka say sabre no so na another health minister back on also say awo asakra na lese be fieba I am Madam Solidarity. Actual letter to Big C for say they should not do any production. Number 1, sans a Ministry of Health enyenya sika. And number 2, enyenya parliamentary approval. In fact, on no trust our letter 2 months after and to force a true letter instructing Bank of Ghana to establish letters of credit. I debitia a Big C for Ika. It is a share the facts any a year advance year and in Krata anyhow the Attorney General is conducted this case now. I am shishi about to NDC for as a media. Ya no ye bia ya no ye na embre. It yam fa a kwan bi so na yenya asem no manya. Eno ne jumadi omudi na enti we na Attorney General na yonku ene Justice Olendi. Now we're inviting Wofia and one day no case Justice inviting me ache ɛyɛ no ma busy deɛ nti Sompa ɔkɔ mu di no man come after about 10 minutes ɛna japa yi wura mu unknown to him oni hu kokobɔ bia yanka ho yanche no on your kwakosa Supreme Court judge osai na damfo even in private practice eti ebra Japan transiana opening introducing so ne cousin no Supreme Court judge no say ne cousin e Japan na now one case no crowd na or say plea bargain no so no Omanhene Yaw ne say in Nancy I am na for say 2022 yakra na de be share Criminal Offences Act
24 June 2022 and a parliament passe
Sapa pepe ena ye de be share mu say say obu ha yes o mema no o face criminal prosecution but charges e be e de amano no obetimi ne AG edidi hu nkoma na omo terms no mo de aba to court anim especially na it happen issues like this it be causing financial laws and all of that because ni aban here say aban be nya ne sika no dey impuntu juma and Omanhene meboa it is any band this sika ne beba no eno no hia aban na emum no say nipa no kwa kodamu de fijin okra say hwa yema etisa adwempo ni mu ne ma yeru agofedam ko ye champion e sa aye o de be wura mu etoma toilet ni biaba say plea bargaining na big C no say omo pese omo tua 2 million euros out of ne no mo de aba no 30 na no mo de aba no omo pese omo tua no mo befa omo cash ne ko na attorney general injaya asem ni attorney general any who problem there but the challenge here was that so big C no omo ye international company they are not a party asema e koso court so omo kan asem no omo ya bo omo kwado no big C for no count say say wogi big C for na asem ni tumu a wogi atum on hot basis okay so Omanhene what ma say a
mato ase asema ye di court no on ka ho etu obetia sika in his capacity as then
yes
okay
yes ya okona se okotwa asem no na so ka so koju sika na hu nipa no be bi o wa efa na ko hwe no because on ka ho and attorney general tro koma o mo say at AG's office in to me accept it because a company now proposed to make the payment no they are not party to asema ekoso in fact before then so na before since so lawyer actually the come attorney general say that has our company no dia ba no omo ni problem bia with it
which means they were also seeking for plea bargain
exactly but then when attorney general sought the clarification from you at the first also there be not just say plea bargain because so what you then the intention is that a admission of guilt just what you have to what the money
okay
but because obi the plea bargain ba now so say you don't have any objection to it what you are saying is our fuaso on pese on no e be free on no wa ba and attorney general say Omanya conditions of this plea bargain clearly they cannot reach any agreement omo de betimi akokota ma court so dey any blessings agusu so no mo na yawa na Japan started say amount box on so ema e kan nsem e bro mu hia wo Supreme Court judge in fi ho no this discussion came up and Supreme Court judge busai say and this is here na edru na Japan ka so attorney general na difficult on the matter and indeed Omanhene me catch out the immense pressure attorney general from because of this prosecution in fact because of your NDC leader and sometimes there are certain compromises be also cost for parliament they use it as a bargaining chip attorney general intimi and so ni mom kakra mom. And I can also say it on your radio to say Forcing and one leading MPP MP Akko Attorney General Fie lead say asem onjemu.
Hello.
Otumenga.
Aha, mije.
Sompa FM. Me say again, may say, come on, feed you say, at 2 Esane one leading MP. Esa ko Attorney General fie, who beg him. So on Jasim, Nanka also a yes, I plea bargaining. So a broad discussion air Koswa, Attorney General Air Cassette, Japan should be able to cooperate with the court and tell the truth. Now, these are all the evidence on the Ogu court. And he also ultimately cry all these documents. Then Japan is saying, sir, for Attorney General to say that means that he is telling him what to go and see. Number one, number two, by saying so no. So who admit Attorney General evidence on the Aba court? Then it means you are implicating the first accused. What is the mention?
Okay.
It will be because of Sasebna. And you know, what Attorney General can't say or implicating an Attorney General. Attorney General has never who messages on Attorney General phone. So Japan are sending a message, and this was way back. I sending message say a person will share privately, and none of the messages I was sending Attorney General. Attorney General reply even one, not even one. Attorney General would not have met this man anywhere. Say go nim, or not there innocently or call Supreme Court Judge Fia Kwakosano and a branch, but not knowing that their branch not all recorded. Sebra Oba when you should know the can also a court class is no longer going to engage in a lawyer. You Sebra Oba Hono, and then the next time Omushia Okota, a lawyer Tadio, sorry, introducing himself as a new lawyer for the accused. No new lawyer. In fact, the following day, as a moment in Tuesday and Thursday. The following day now, Mbaloko Court, now I also Attorney General acquire the cabinet. And now, Okate, Japan say, or friend or phone so catch and say, on to me, my court. A John Okawa catch and the lawyers form was Omunji adjournment. And no didn't come off our court case. I'm told, says our conversation is not a corner recording. But the main issue was the recording that happened in a year Justice Community House.
Maybe on the day Attorney General and me and Kokota no cabinet no. That time na sorry, Abe lawyer na no ni lawyer.
There be no nyambe ye.
No nyambe ye. Okay.
No nyambe ye no lawyer. That time ya no announce say we no lawyer. So the next court case no in court and a new lawyer will announce himself as a lawyer representing the accused.
Okay. All right. Nanabi Mami from Siamida, Siwama and Chimu on this issue. We'll come back. And now, yeah, share the Ecoswar. Now, Mami, and welcome. Zuba. Now, you can't say active point for Chinkomo. Now, Mr. Mofa, you know, to TV no so quickly now. Because as some Americano, Ebeya same sneer, and yet very good. Professor Ochra Mensa Ade Adofo Kokot. So we'll good anymore. Plaintiff's claim against the defendant is a declaration that the words and statement inter alia made, uttered, and published by the defendant on his Facebook timeline and contained in the particulars of defamation as attached, and especially in paragraph 20, 22, and 23 of the statement of claim herein are defamatory of his character. B, an order of the court directed at the defendant to publish on 3 consecutive occasions on the same platform that he published the defamatory words, Facebook timeline, and the Daily Graphic, an unqualified retraction and an apology with the same prominence as given to the issuance of the defamatory words. An order of the court compelling the defendant to immediately cause to be deleted all the defamatory statement he made about the person and character of the plaintiff, either directly or indirectly on his Facebook timeline. General damages of the sum of 3 million Ghana cedis for defamation, 30 billion. Exemplary damages of 2 million, SIA 50 billion, for malicious conduct of the defendant in defaming the plaintiff. Costs including legal fees or say a bonwa adofu debetia. Any other relief that the Honorable Court may deem fit. Eti, Nana Freddy Ajiman, Osborne, Esquire, ono na ye solicitor emano na ya several adofo se wo mra meyi na no our days to enter appearance aden oso ogu na nimu ase ensem okafa no nyina no krenim. So we are going to have a day. Professor Ochade Ade Services lawyer Adolfo in court. Million, I want to say acting for you, GSC. Mami Joe.
Ehoyo pa na medawase na masanachia weti for no help.
Okay.
Na ye tutu ehofo se de brebia ye se be me ani akoye num ene ye se ho na so na pa betutwi osina nwumre nso atutwi ne kama na di wie so adi nso ahoro wanum na de akeka mu ni nyina afri aba na wa ma na nso aye ntinti a o dente so de be ya o ha bi a hye se eba watimi adi ho dwuma na wasia no ekwan e de ama na be ka so di wie nso abe flosse osim no flosse no e se wo de ahoma dental flosse be yi wosinum na efi bi a hye mbia na nyina afri na ho atoye pa ene ye bedi enkomo e de afa esen yare bi efe no discolored teeth say wose no a change color na na bosu no asesa na obi ho no a ne seno ya na bi e baako mienu na obi so no ma ye ni nyina na ya na asesa color no na mosi ya na omo na dedem na mosi ya na omo de bi abaako especially ya na ye ni mu ha de ne pa no ya na a change color no esen color change no ye wo ni two ye wo intrinsic and extrinsic. Extrinsic no de wo abonten no enamel no na how no abaho na inside one no so dentin no na how abaho na dentin na how no abaho no most dia na so trauma na accident obi ho no a usa no na odi agroma na symbol ha na se bibi ebo ne so wanyini ko na abonse na ne so na hya se change color brown na black bisa bon se kwa bo ha obedi be 30 years 40 years no on te ya obia but echen bon se ha na no kakra aba na nso banya na sign change color no na eko na ba ku bi esim eno ya na esen yare no se okọ dentist on mo a obehwe na why treatment o mu se yes no blood vessels no na nerves no na nemmo indi so how no bem say infection no bem a na de how no back se bu se ho no be ya kakra na ja be ya kakra na ja udum na be ya pa eno okọ dentist on mo a obey treatment de amount na sa how no wa say nerves no ene we nanam no nyina na infection no eko na abonten de na attack enamel no obi wo honmo a eya na ne lifestyle no bi honmo a ope wine pa bi honmo a odikola owikola nso honmo a tea type bi honmo a etimi change wo sene color nso honmo a efi ase bi wo ne simu e ka cross no e na amasa ne no a change color e na obi nso honmo a oso a woni no ne nuane no bi a ye fluoride de one system no bebre international development no ama affect no ama a change color bi so a obohu se bi wa na se dot white bi ne so bi wa ma ya na se brown bi yellow bi sisi ne so a nyina ye o se no color na a change no ene de however ni nyina no treatment e ho no a obe o dentist a obeboa no treat ama they are na ne lifestyle no e ma ne change color no so call dentist on mo a obe kire kwa be fa so a sa ni nyina be no asan atro akwan abefa so asade no ensan emba biem nti se bi omo a enum tobacco omo smoke no omo enhwe da saade ni yesere be ya omo se kala no enchange na tembio no se no ebenya ho ne se sa efi no edoso wonu ma wo simu a ema e kan se wo se na pro sana abonten de no ye describe no say wo no apro wo no so pro sana eden carbon eba mekwan be da so benya esen ana se enum yare na hodo bebre no ebi sa so a esen yaw no eba bo se kaka so etimi etu ewo wo se bra efin adoso ewo wasinu mu a emo aye kura esen yare no so beba no ya na ebia no odin yi pa akwanti mi beda ho ema wunya gingivitis ne yese efin no awata wo sene so na awere wo sen ase mama ekwan abeda da wo se no ase wo wo se no esensen honom e na otimi nya periodontal disease no enso ye esen yare a wosen socket ne shim no dompe no hu nyina awe na wosen esensen honom a eno so ede ha ba utimi so enya oral cancer no eka wo gam no ema ede ha kese na eba so ntimi se uhu se wanum nsesan no kwachiri na unim de ede ba bomode na call dentist sonom na kasa o ha no che no na ni hu ye na obeya ohwehwemu akwachiri na wo hu de edeba because esen yare nse wo hu de de bae na ni treatment ya na edin ye pentu hu de de eba na aboa ma wo hu treatment no eno no treatment say oh ye o self treatment so ko dentist sonom na wo di sa adwuma no e de ama ye pa say uni dentist am so for active point dental clinic e ye dental home na obusiafo ni nyina ensa so embra na omumra ne hwe omanum ene omose no ohaw bia ekomse bia ose no ene su abuso tokuro na beda kora ne simpani so tokuro da osim na se e de ohaw foforo ebrewa se bia fi na wo so ne de nkabone eba se okatara so na ayi fi na se de nkabone so eba se wo se na keka na wo pese unni hu dwuma se wo se na etuna pese unsia se wo se na achange calendar wo pese onye ne fita ni nyina oba active point dental clinic ye be di sa dwuma no nyina e de ama obetimi ehu ye branch Kumasi Santas di nyame ye ben ultimate na se busua FM Santas kwan se ho no mo a na oboas dunko ajansa na konka road ho no no se branch back ho se hwidwina na de Sheffield station no se branch back ho sunya o ya bro sana ebe koko bodran about no Accra Jolu Presby Junction Caterpillar road no so branch back ho na Kaso a Crispo City ye ben family depot no en se branch back ho mo a ye adwuma edwada ekosi mmeda no pa no nwotwe ekosi anwumre no se akwasi adan so Kumasi ne Accra branches no en so ye adwuma so wada branch na pese ye nhia akwasi adan so a o frɛ number na eba be hia na o how na ekɔso wanum no yetimi aboa na ni nyina aso etu na ade so ya na ye different wo ye ho sɛ yesan ɛkyerɛkyerɛw ekwan be fa so a obe bɔ wanum ene wosan ɛho ban na saa how no entimi ansan a mabiem na wanum no enya ahoɔden eyi pa takwan so montwan enche ba bibie branch ho no mo a se modem wanum ene mo sen how no nyina so ba nya kwa da roma ne nimde e woni ntino ye betimi etu ho na mo brebia ka se wo esen how a entra otoso ko dentist so na ommoa na won hwa de kro na eba no se moja ne free wanum ba bra otwitwi osen na ko dentist so na ommoa na sa ha no enna mfio obetimi afre number 0554
0554
571
779
0554 571
779
so kra ace medical insurance so kra gap medical insurance so kra cosmopolitan health insurance a oba e be hwe na the insurance ne ko ba no etimi e bia na wonum ene wo sene nyina
all right, enjoy your day.
Thank you sir.
Okay, now you din komo me ne former director of law school lawyer and Sansari. Yes, he's an authority when it comes to law, but he got this wrong. I was trying to draw his attention to it on the basis that plea bargain has been established in Ghana and it's been accepted firmly in Ghana's laws. And they say the passage of criminal and other offenses procedure, Amendment Bill 2021, and a plea bargain. You can't say plea bargain here. I see and yet so atos yet so boabo say why are dear we na sadia na wo ye no ye do ko gina court na say ye di wasem na say bowa ye do ko to mebia emfie num sika e wo mu no ye be 20 million aban ne say metimi ayedai e de ache so de sika ne ba fa say sika ne bra na nka emfie awakodi ni wo court no akodi ni wo afiase no ayedai ye jao because aban ye sika no sin say ebi abedai ti ebi ebetimi di si hu bi kura ka ho am atua se na ebi 10 million aban si 15 million na minya o me fa nkotum eno no yagye atum ebrebe na be ye adwuma on the 24th June 2022 Parliament passed the bill to amend the Criminal and Other Offences Procedure Act 1960 Act 30. And so because a plea bargain ni Ghana ha anya no kre. Memom that plea bargain is done in court. And the era Ansari Komana ye di no he quoted history 1975 say judge no say prosecutor no piniswa eno na akoye incommodie say it is entrenched say Ghana mremu no there is plea bargaining. And open common the NDC at 2 p.m. a press conference addressed by Chairman General Sedun Ketia. NDC press conference. Our topic: the unprofessional and criminal conduct of the Attorney General in the Atto-Forcing trial. 4 o'clock, MPP for so almost yebi. Almost a press conference, Frank Davis, lawyer, or said the desperate NDC attempt to shield Atto-Forcing from accountability. Baso, now, headquarters. Zuba, Akye Abia, now what to say?
Yeah, no,
Bibi Aboko.
Yes, I do.
MC Honorable Ofori Ofosu Ajema. Oh, oni of no so then Ofori you there no oni Ofosu. Ah, what confuse who na oni Ofosu? Me bo me din won so be din abo.
Me di Ofosu da be.
What the Ofori Ajema? Who na dey max Ofosu Boakye? Na ate. Zuba enidi. Na hutedi. Ti afa na me boni din. Obi afra no.
Ya fra me Omanhene Nana.
Akwasi Ofori Ajema.
Ya fra me Adanse Hene Nana. Kwasi Fori.
Adanse Hene kwali din ya medare.
Opeja kochre
de. Bonsrefi ni din na
but me
Max Ofosu.
Yeah, Bonsrefi Konya Nana.
And the Konya Nana. It's a sound back of crowd. Max Ofosu Boakye MC. Cover for the MC Ewo Swami Ha. On a host.
Baby, we free hard.
I was your boy. I did come on. The Nina Kojina. Atto-Forcing 70 Richard Jakpasama Kawo open court to say. Attorney General, I say, no person odi adansi krumu di ti Atto-Forcing no. And I go find some baby abba. Na baby omuko siaye Justice Yone Kolendi fie no. Allegedly, the Attorney General is saying say he didn't know say na obeba. Na emo mo hono na brantie no eba na da brantie the cousin of Yone Kolendi na Yone Kolendi busa say 70 say na almost say omo ye plea na the Attorney General is being difficult no many won say. At the end of the day, morally, a lot of people think say the Attorney General meeting an accused in deliberation no na accused no so can say Attorney General esi wonko dia dance krumuntia Atto-Forcing emfa no ntum no ama NDC up in arms said no, this cannot happen. This is travesty of justice. Zuba Mamintiu,
yeah,
what do you know about these issues?
I don't know anything about the issues apart from what I'm hearing.
Okay.
Na mincha weti for na me omo maje me omo hwe nya so mincha wo meba wa se mi so no me hwe MPP for so be bi on their prosecution na me hwe omo conduct bi a wa ba mu
peja yin koso
na me hwe omo conduct bi a wa ba mu. I can only say that 2025 Ghana be yede friend na bi was say church ten no kutia 4 million euro na contractor no ko me ye adwuma na ye Dubai na ye tontra ye tua $12 million e da ma China ni so ko ye palugo down why sensan it is a we tua for assume that meeting so we tua for ambulance ba ye tontra the we tua 12 ahwe ma ye bende okay ye do bi akokot. So the $200 million dollars ekusi saglemi we see and do our say cash obisi no when see and do say by then no in thousands and the what we over $200 million e dey to amna see the kwako ye cathedral Benjamin no ye bende
I know the you drew her
because when the 200 no dey nya over by 1,000 we jira court do dey ko to amna no on do ya dey
Monsieur drew her.
Hey, Yamen Kosundi him. Oh, Nipa Babu. And before national organizer, Minu Akuma Nanabi. We experience. Ube ye party be national organizer, Martin Seven of Fatu. He must learn from Kudia. Kudia measured in his public statements. We then the speed to speak, no yen who feel. Only ye interview high One day church the course between Atuforsen, Japa,
Unicolindi, Japa, and Atuforsen,
and Goffredami, only few. No, I tell her, say, Goffredami at the Bia or court, and not or cabinet meeting, or own teaming corner, or Fred Japa, a fool so. I catch and say, to me, man, to a catch and the lawyers say, Omunkoji adjournment. In another bet, what's that besides was his at an onion fire, Unicolin on fire, was it sorry. Lawyer Ben or catch and say, to me, Macot, or catch Richard Japa. They or say, you, the tape was seen, and a B say, now, Papa, no cabinet meeting. To offer Richard, and to offer Richard Jacques say on to me Mac court. Now, I catch any lawyers say on the adjournment. On only lawyers no more attorney general now Muko there be. That is what he meant. No, that is not what he meant, Master. Don't do that. Oh no, tell me. Yeah, Master, upa tape no. Me nation the angle say. Me nation or catch Jacques say I have instructed your lawyers to get an adjournment because say what to me Mac court. No, I instructed wow lawyers. I'm going to you. No, the common sense. My common sense is very active. No. Look, relax. What I'm saying is, say me no me will case for court. Now me a principal. Me a lead lawyer. I can instruct my lawyers to go for an adjournment. For an adjournment. Yes. What is your business in telling the accused? Telling me, sir. I now me say. They have created a certain rapport which shouldn't be. I know they have no argument. But I tell you, I'll say my catcher lawyers. I say my instructor lawyers is adjournment. And then you came in with a question. As long as no you appointed, you're sorry. And I thought vice or nothing. Ask him. You go ahead. What's the point? That's what I'm saying, that he should hasten to speak. He must learn from Kobia. Because next time no one. Has anybody in all of these things has anybody spoken about any recording? No. But he only nipa or they recording. They akwakoto abonte. Very good. On the debate to abonte.
Why are they to abonte?
Nanabi just said this morning. Said
no, it's already out there.
No, one says the guy has always been speaking that he has evidence. He has never mentioned any. Relax. He has never mentioned. The guy has never mentioned any recording. But you come to talk about recordings, and then you go about to talk about another recording that transpired on a conversation between Dami and Japa, and then you go to specifically name a Supreme Court judge. President Kufuor now appointed. Who was substantive cases and when a name still there are about 2 cases. You only calling the Tanaswa. Currently. They are in court. What do you go to do in his house? Sorry, what meanwhile, there's enormous suspicion out there. Say, assembly, political be a Supreme Court will be Mudidi and Hunkomo them. And that is why Akufo-Addo has packed the Supreme Court with people who worked in his chambers and people who are his friends. If you going to Yoni Kolendi, when there are cases before Yoni Kolendi or Supreme Court, about 2 of them that I can remember. The firm of body. Any the Richard Sky, one hear the court, the judge, the lawyer for the state. I'll back appear no company. Are you not giving credence to the fact that Akufo-Addo appointing the judges be? Now more so many of you here do more them answer about court. Is that what you are doing? So you putting out the names, you only give credence to the suspicion out there. Say Akufo-Addo judges no appointing you. And that is the impression Anabi has come to create. By hastily coming to mention names. What are they? And when you do that, you make the Attorney General look ugly. It's an asama who judges Asan wedding. Yoni Kolendia, Mobonedi, as a money name. And I've heard lawyer something like the Ayun is a sad narration or Moboa. So you look sad narration, say no Mukon Fien, it's a lie. I heard him live on radio say it's a word he used. Palpable lie. Palpable lie. What I say, but you see, the danger is that the Attorney General is or a lawyer man or my own lawyer man MPP party. Inti say oman no di asem. Next section be feel say attorney general no misconduct no. Na to me na oman di amano no o use no capriciously on the basis of political expediency. When a political party decides to banter one political party over what has to be the administration of justice in a fair and unbiased, balanced manner, what you do is that you reduce the Attorney General's office to a political party office.
Yeah, that's what is now becoming.
That is what is happening now. What I say, and me in what me because you see, this is not the very first time we have had an Attorney General from a political party running government legal cases. Me hu obeda samamu de me hu ye me na me swa ntina TV so na me tetete but Kufuor de ya ode Kufuor do bae o sha se no wasan de tatuchi kata kwa no na tatuchi kata nto Kufuor hwe ezo ko file go to the president versus tatuchi kata when it was indeed a republic versus tatuchi kata, but Kufuor did not get himself involved with these things. Kufuor do feel Attorney General as I buy. I could to know Manti Webi. And that person, most person, Mama, Attorney General as Aba, Manti Webi. Indeed, Mami Gloria, a Kufu. As a man, by Attorney General, they brought some sanity to the place. Marita Brew, Gloria Kufu. The dignity that they brought to the office.
And Martin Amidu,
they are not there. I be Bioko.
I don't know the IBO. So, Attorney General. I didn't know. Only got on the I think Jogate so didn't Jogate the Nipa Eddie and Gofo Gumu Pass.
Odinunipa.
What is Jogate Suchin Gofo Gumu Pass? So, when Yanni wants some cars and Attorney General or distinguishing Hopa.
Time, my said in a Tama Club, as I'm by Mama Heavy. My baby is a McQuay, my catcher say, I don't see why Obi in this in here. I same time say, oh, sorry, could the because I said a bomb by a dinner grammar. Yeah, me Buffy. Oh, yet the committee Marco 5.
Every show near me.
Miko Yukia, be anyone come more than once.
And so,
but who couldn't want to call more than once?
By Queen artists, yes, allegedly poo. Ye the whole court and be you are no.
That Missy Baku Quen, why me call me Pano Baku Quen on me up your minima. Yaksaka sign preview.
Okay. Okay.
And all those more lawyers, me no, me do more. I want a boy, you judge me. Lawyer, who's such a lawyer? Yeah. Before those panels, Nina, me no lawyer, and echo. Baku Quen, you are you quite call more than once. What I say? Baku, I remember one of the panels, we will be some say, or was in this past assembly conference or me John also just say any day. Let me say, more afraid of my party. Most I be some say because I'm putting appropriate laws and what I had done. They were looking for suggestions for me on what to what to do.
So you made a lot of sense.
What I say? Yeah. Enti me kwa bien wa me enti adena ma me said dan tamaklo ya da sama ato so asem no wo ho adanse a edibe bo a akoba biata me se me kasa me NDC ninti no se NDC ni edi dream ye ni NDC for me ni pa boni for free ya system ni mo a eko ni nye eni ye ni pa boni for we MPP nso am free mo a
Nko ebane nko nani.
What I say? I baby wo so am ya. Na ni na manu bebe wa buchi. No mo de no ma bre na fe ba na ayira. Bi ayira ho. Nti akwara ba ko e pote e fe kulu se we gini. Nti ya kulu kata se mti ya no ni so ade no bi ayira e kulu na.
Afa.
Anti no my buy, Omo Suave, your photo body, the woman must making. I know money buy was because that would be. So on them from if you're gonna cool your EB. Oh, I feel my many choir, I on 9. Marco 4. Baby, or the good time. I found it to us, I was say, hey, Coolio, save you, baby. Oh, it's Coolio.
Coolio, baby.
What does it?
I never go out there, Coolio,
baby. Nipa money for MPP. Papa will MPP. Nipa money for NDC. Papa also NDC. Take over, say, Obi D. Ponia. I had a person get your party free no. No man on the D. Na yensu dear Adiama. Yenya idea chile
mom se nipa no so kwan a ofa so atiti no no
na akwakoye ne mom said the weekend ekoba say I said tachuju kata de ni bi ube ko abansa account ya tun tete LA school what you say ube ko unko abansa account de tete LA school na wa unko school de abeso nsa ube ko unko abansa account. But in the civilized democracy what is going on ehu kaka because you know the baby asem no me man have me kaka nesem enya sa brand en 15 ya no ko gina abonten say attorney general no enemy kasa o. In spite of all that has been going on, the guy had not publicly spoken about all the processes being taken through by the attorney general until in open court under cross-examination. Not under cross-examination. Who be sent a question? Who are here? Who be sent a question? And that is your job. But to tell him, say,
he should speak the truth.
He should speak the truth. When in open court, attorney general has called witnesses in court. Omabeka say, and you are forcing an order for the payment. In fact, the minister substantive for finance under NDC administration said, he gave the order for the payment. So why go for auto forcing? When the person has come out publicly that I gave the order
for me.
What I said, why go for auto forcing? And under cross examination, I can't because I don't know my pressure. What my pressure, I feel that me mwa attorney general for because omo me enu ti omo kuma na menim hobi.
That's right.
Na me ma me sa hunu mu na metimi hunu de. Asem ti nipa mienu mu a o ka no kwe ene de o twanto. Attorney general cross examine japa. We lawyer. What I say? And then he gets up to say on kind of kwe. What I say? On kind of kwe. And for me, he had no business.
The objection, my lord. Speak the truth, whatever.
He had no business in doing that. What the point? But me nyame amami hunu mo a me hunu de omienu de all kind of kwe. But what's the point I'm saying? But what I'm interested in is meteti a lawyer for bebre, a lawyer for penny for pa o maye adwuma na che no mo che say ethically there's something wrong.
Yeah.
And lawyer for meti omuni nyina if you say or say you hear ehwehwe mu
ewo sasam no
I would wish that the two political parties will stay away from this.
Almost say asem no.
What I say? They may wish pa ne say. What's as mama make nyina? I've tried as smart as possible.
You accept we say General Legal Council bem. Now company phone suma. Ka asem no. Ye debi abeda o. Stay away. MPP here 4 o'clock. NDC 2. We say asem we egu.
Because say ye the politics.
And a bot TV no.
Ye the politics.
Omo dey aye we.
Debi ameka me say Ghana ha ye we. Eso MPP for no kure. And eso no NDC for no kure. Ye mienu no kure nye ba ko da agisa da parliament for ko dia ketua.
Ena ni nyina ka bo.
Kure nye ba.
You are home mama na me ko. Ayi hono mo.
This country will suffer.
Mate. Mama mra won chen. Maxwell, mama ntie won so.
Mama de me issue we. Na nabi kan ni nyina. Ena baby azuba kan ko ye no so no. Me hunu how bia na wo musa except to say my men narration na wo ma so amene na yemede because said you can na san fit into ono anasem na wo kan say ya no they say was a finance minister no howura say tekwe ese ono na o ma order no nti adenti na yemfa ono mum enko what you say na ye de ato force mum na eko maame na ba na do ya kata na friend kulio na say atu force nye kulio dia na etekwe na kulio no because we ye dan ya akwa be say there was a bonsu ye kokko fa ambulances by ambulances ni bedru ye na etontra ana ameboa someone ordered the payment and go enye say payment ni 15 ya na see it where that say na ya atu force ana say yes etekwe no at least na kulio bi wo do you get the point? I
get you.
What I say? Enti emeye ne say ase bi a tepe na obi tan no.
Ato force.
Sorry, ato force na obi tan no. Said you can say nipa bonefo we NPP mu. Ene we nipa bonefo nso we NDC mu. It is say ye boa no oman na konanim dia. Edru ba bia yen try say be yi political chichi no every honom. We do away with the political lenses. Na yen face issues no objectively. Oh my, what you say?
Okay.
Because you ntimi nka say ye kwoto ambulance aba. Na ambulance ne ba bedru Ghana na ye 207 empty. Abra ye nyina ye nim say Ghana that time no. Na your health facility no in terms of its emergency unit no how a function no na bibi ankoso. Oh my, so okay. Ambulances are now Ghana no do we say. Eti aban na nya trimu proclama. So wakoto ambulances aba na obi ambulances no enya maaye no na obi authorize say yentua sika na ambulances no so ba bedru ye nya ambulance bi because nyoma bi na ema na ya ambulance na ye beka say ye de ani esa nipa ba ko a me sure say na enye right eye dan ya nsam na ekwo no ato force nsabi eye minority leader or lawyer for anameboa eti eduru wona say nyame na me authorize payment na emum me boss sabre no e na authorize ya say ne lawyer for nso ni manamu mu betu e na ebie nso no meba eye panyini na we interview no na mo so we law lecturer say
former director Ghana Law School
nkoyi kra because enra me menye lawyer ni ye mu bi de court dan ho abubu ye tibia na ye timi aka bi metie experts on this case na oka something ladi ayenene metie na enra na something position before say ye betie attorney general spokesperson na something a position ne say attorney general shia okoshia eye japa ewo justice no sa panyini ni fee no
unicolende alleged by
enra ni din ama there
na be na dia ba.
That wasn't right because one can say omu ntimi nhia o okoti imra ni bibi eche so mbetimi ahia na emom no say nkone ne lawyer e na yeden ahia eho e no omu wie bibia no attorney general spokesperson ni be kire mu say eye papa ya ye kana asem owura japas aye kana asemi wasesa lawyer for nko anan asem yi sha asi ofa we ya no afaya no ofa we ya no afaya no. So at certain times no court kra no ono na representing no eti bra no wo mu hia no wo fie no sa bra kra na papa ni lawyer and o kire mu say nipa no so ni lawyer by the law now omo established in 2022 no e kire say wo lawyer na no council hia but nipa na any counselor obetimi a engage no by nipa kro na no eho oban what you say by himself no or herself no that person can engage for negotiations no enti ana nya attorney general so na efre sa meeting no otine ba bi na efre no na panyini so a woni ne ya adwuma a we justice afro say ana mo say bra ne ya hwekwan ya befa so a me hu ni bone ewum owura japa ade a wo say ya nyina ya twen no wo de ba enma dede ni nyina ba no oso wo recording unfair recording in my court. It's as simple as that because it will end the whole thing. So when I heard Panyini na friend or former law school, because attorney general, my attorney general must resign. Come ne kasem no what I expected. They say, sir, etisa. Any also attorney general resigning because nipa no also tape no ntimi for tape ne mai. But you almost said it. Asam no so no obi na SEO. So
no, see you no calling the credit about no so nana and
send one aware of Marawi say or see US na practices are the way. Sabi me ko ni pie be personal nti me pese me enya no ho na de enkan asem. What you say? Because obi a wo kire enkwara de Waja actually.
Former director. Oh, that's what you also a judge.
Na embrace Yaba.
Former director.
Embrace Yaba.
Me say me tell you na Moses local government Mrano. Ebi asisa.
Bebre.
I uni honor there. Ebetima be tu.
Na say na Moses.
Na teacher ni gra uja de kira. Syllabus ne say ebetima be tu.
No. Ebi na me ko rely on the old public financial arrangement minimum.
Obetima di for.
Na me ko cast. Ah, say me former MC when be go ase.
2022 what 2022 to if you don't speak on the way our car you know say we resign na we you say na we but they make a question say Ade Akye Abia nyina no one ye hwe one on ethical say Abia Ade Attorney General ye no say indeed oka kire ne say o meka asem implicate at force in there. And you be any say morally, ethically, it's not right. And now a lawyer for no or more mumra, a legal counsel, say why counsel, no any client come befaso. Say indeed, what to me decide tape neba hampa. On said yet, a bill another issue by. Now you can't about recording no because recording was out that. In fact, and yet Japadian kwa a minority leader at to force in so recording. According to experts, say in this year recording a minority leader, the engagement with Attorney General, and you know so no any right because
the court will not even accept it.
Wait, but according to the spokesperson, Osi Mumusa say he no mukoshi Ana ura hanoma.
Is it mebao? Sesia after Anas expose no. Court, Supreme Court, and even Sunyani High Court, courts a ruling say, if you have a conversation with me without my prior notice, now recording me, it will not be admissible in court. And so, whatever you record without my notice, now if you say when you be so now asema ye can a fa hona di tiamia and yajuma.
Nyanumpu na make can't be say. Recordings na our system no that oh they make
I recorded that
and already in some more can nyina na Japan kan nyina no and some no me sure so be closing the case
yes
and I'm a boy closing the case and again cross examination Attorney General so opportunities at the next day you want
yes when there are issues that come out you can raise
no the key they say one ambulance you got ambulance be any ambulance.
Let's leave out that for the court to judge.
Number two, no cre. So be a recording will be. Now recording no pono. No cre so be nkoka bibi mu obi hu.
Okay.
Kopem say sa no ma we beba no. I believe that's
a rate of summons be.
Yes.
Convolute chief executive. Me to join.
Opeso ya mi kuskuri anasa opeso we join.
Some was anti-memo.
Oh, joining was you why.
Lawyer, move come
Adolfo. Opeso also so joining.
Oh, me joining Convolute chief executive. So, good and you must know person Kumase. Juma papa, a branch and a year. More Convolute a peja. No, ye nephew, horse, Convolute lawyer, and now what did you be no? No person there, Santimina, Puntua. A branch and a dear Convolute, or the Cosa Bubas, and oh dear, as Santa Marbron. Pesem Mrafo,
I know a lawyer,
joining
and Yaya Casa. But I
don't be kids, Melgazin Paco Yachi.
I also am a lawyer.
I do join any Yaya Casa, so join ye. I tell any Yaya Casa, so it's we are Boama, Wako join here. But it's sad. Zuba is sad.
I have a some share.
It's sad.
Freddy. Now move over to doctor's flat. And I Rollins may a be a hobby at the painting.
That's right.
And the clinical students, me who see a painting
over more than 30 years old. At them painting, I renovate doctor's flat.
Or say Oba, most of it in the club and yet at the expense of the tax.
Debio.
Oba wo hob ebi a wo na wo ton painter.
O se minua.
No abesere wo se mesere.
Me painti why?
Me painti block we ma.
Na yenye donated by how?
Yes. Chief executives are over corner Marco. We adi time ya bako kofona chibe we chobo hunu baby.
I want unima de. Otrase 715. 715. Now them is something seat.
What I like about him is that kofona chifu Nizam Patrobi.
Yeah, Nizam Patrol. Brown one.
Baby on better bobo maneka uchini ni Camry. Ni onwa
CEO of Kofano Chichi Camry.
Uchi Camry.
But I say board chairman and Crawford.
Hard work.
Almost ka hubi.
Board chairman no kwa one problem.
Omo nyina ka hubi.
On problem.
Eh na na bombata hene. On tiase say the ekoso no. So ono the next form adofo na ka omo ho. On ka hubi o. Otis Facebook and open we anumre and won di attendance at
we ya Kofona lawyer no na dem say this can one can ye you free one after now
after the one who this car Ade
what I say 80 ade na ekoso no he kuma say nyina ye last show ni Kofona
Ambao
and the transformation that is taking place at Kofona and Ade Mensa oni pe biara obey na do say oh sorry
yes so in the bed
tell what let me say this on a lighter note sometimes yeah they put it up be you say cuz akoy e ba po e be difficult to change him
mukra mo
it will be difficult
say amra no kra so ay difficult
forget about amra forget about amra yeah chief executive no or the asantema hwehwe de ma wo improvement of so why change him
and so who in the power now for sister one we are crying you will get the rat of
now the baba no o lo wa de nkakra bi o give you negative political mileage
this is a guy at team you
me bomb pass
every union
Kufa do this akabo to be lose Kumasi ano
every union
will do what
so best I can say I would put on
na mo kura mo nse
every single union work on for not the kataba bontin say omo catch that dofo say wonya de oye no kwa no I don't see why you do that asantema wura aso abrantie mu say he'll come for noche yeah omo unim
na
roofing no
unu asame de buachi ekoka no hwe adwumadi omudi
yes omo roofu omo yesu ni nyina awie o hwe me see come for noche dine bi o ha ehu paint abro 40 years
wa physiotherapy or renovation my own
cause staff no wa yibiadi wa suspend bi ebi wa committee level me kai abrante ba kwa say owura office here obora ho no ma na obusa akwa no say op direction to baby nurse no kuta ne phone a boss say pass here and go the CEO ni jare ni no so please by who yeah you can go past this side and until open you know now I never saw the journey akwana so no esisa niema kufi
I mean what is taking place at Kofona
the discipline and the love and affection opanishi obi kra first count to say panishi doctor and can you have the entire doctor union e wo Kofanoche cat I say yempene they are happy now and now your doctor next year your twenwaso a and I'm said oh yeah what's your twenwaso ntino you will not have one doctor oba be konti amount nurse ni oba ko amount
you see if we
then you sit and write all manner of things
we have to be honest that this is one of the appointment President Kufuor got right
yes
this appointment he got it so right because Ade Mensa as head of the department for College of Allied Health if you look at the transformation as leader of that department at KNUST or the Bawa if you are somebody who follows development administration what's it
the 300 down I never said so or a giant I also giant so woman go yes or never said go yes
if you follow the young man and what he likes to achieve in life maybe it could be all the transformation but let the transformation
continue
please
Ade no tiny and libres
but when you have a member of the opposition no kasa say about the political appointee. It should tell you say the Pakrono deserves applause.
But I mean, I speak highly of people that are.
No.
Zuba, they say
I spoke about
I know.
I
spoke about Kandapa.
It's becoming unbecoming.
If I see good people in NPP,
me who ni beef, ni interest.
Just say, Obia Antiasio.
Greater Regional Minister Yakuva,
Yeah.
Interior Minister, I disagreed with him.
The giant.
I disagreed with him because the appointment as Greater Accra Regional Minister was so right.
He did a lot.
The impact you get of him as Greater Accra, you will not get same as Interior Minister. You won't.
And then Oba is only at force in the say we. Okay, appointment. You dare me, I dare you.
You won't. What I said.
Oh my goodness.
Of Titus Glover, it's wrong.
Regional Minister.
Regional Minister.
And titles
you see him as somebody who mingles with the people.
Yeah.
What I say. And you are taking a cue from how the previous minister was able to assert himself and knowing the achievement that you want to bring somebody who can give you the same leverage. The man's attitude and relationship with the number of friends he has in Accra cannot be compared the same as number of friends the one who
the Interior Minister
has. Nipa ne na fofo bebre do so a ebi na eku sampan.
Now now for you
they will make your life
system is part.
They will make your life difficult.
The system you enjoy but now legal system.
Oh, so me how now for those one ka bit my adwuma ba kokra. What he had here but ya wonam fo bi ho no ma.
You know better be out me me na adwuma. Miss Osanu fe 30 minutes abusafo a.
Me ba o send them see no tie say me ya bibi kra wa ha no na nya e be difficult so
me no kasa
opposition
kasa be ya na ne be ka now you kra me church there me church there masa jawa sem we have some masa for sem for
that is why most times when appointment especially within the local government setting na nipa no omo fi baby ko baby a omo so well
and how can Rikopoku be di 1 year wa
yes
na Sapon
ko tie din a omo po Sapon central
Dr. Sapon central region
omo say the central omo unu so regional minister
and now Rikopoku be di almost 8 months wa ha hwe Rikopoku so da so wa ha ko si yayi mai presenter odidulantelo Ghana say you do tra ukroma opre
what I say
about
80 me when I see the appointment
my birthday so in pejai
and where they munyere mo ho where they usually people should prevent it
not for the be nancy yam permanency kra Andra Jesse Nanama and na ya wa da o ya fashion na odinya ase Milano ina afa James Kwaku who's CEO of Jackus Group of Companies Sankare Kwame Edu Atemuda any workers of Jackus almost Joseph Kwame Obeying draftsman your children Emmanuel Agri and siblings Edmond Apia Opon of Golden Pen International School. Today is your birthday, nice boy. Your mom is Anita J of Boakye Police Station. Christiana Apia J CEO of Chrissy Star Fashion from Boakye of Sompa. Juliana Mensah South Kantaga of Sompa sends a birthday to you. And then Gabriel Abnefia Reko of Matters of Uganda Preparatory School, Benisban, MPP Santase, polling agent, Kwabena Yeboah, CEO of Fresvy Multimedia. Today is your birthday, Mrs. Yeboah and your children. Michelle Akuya Safo, today is your birthday from Boakye. Rachel Tiwa, today is your birthday from Eric Sapon of Asante Aguna. And then Mami K, Ezekiel, and Adiwe Abba. All right. Yadimo esiha echna kawasem yabeba mafie mu na de wose yade tumani bia de atumam Sam Radio Fancy Di Maria sits and brings you nothing but the best. Stay with us.
So wante onipadua se a wonte ayaresa